Hello, it's Turtle here. Welcome to another video. Today I'm doing an unboxing of the Color Cube Volume 3 and 4 from Sarah Renee Clark. And this is actually take two. The first one I managed to somehow record in slow motion. So hopefully this one will go better. I've got the original Color Cube here to compare. The size seems to be the same, and the dimensions are a little bit different when you open the box. The lid is a completely different size, as you can see. The inside box is completely different, and there was a belly band with the categories inside, but as you can see, these are a little bit different. And I did put the tabs in here already. Like I said, this is kind of take two, so let me open up Color Cube Volume 3, which I have not opened yet, and show you how that one looks before you've done all of that. So first things first, let's get the belly band off. And it's basically the same information. It just gives you the categories and then some generic information. And so when you open it up, you've got the cards sitting like this. And then you've got your tabs in this envelope right here. And then there should be a sticker as well for volume 3. So here are the tabs that are in the pack, and some of this information is repeated from the belly band, and this is the bookmark. So I'm going to put that in the back, and then here are the tabs with the categories, so like breathtaking sunsets, coastal views, floral arrangements, and so on. And as you can see, not every category has the same number of cards. So for example, floral arrangements has 20 cards, whereas breathtaking sunsets has 25 cards. And it'll tell you in the back, 5012 to 525 belongs in here. And the other nice thing is, let's see, we'll take 501 here. Beautiful card. You can see a little thumbnail of it right there. And then if you flip it over, it'll tell you exactly what that thumbnail is. So for example, if I was looking through this and I was like, ooh, that one's caught my eye. Which one is that? It's 523. So that makes it quite convenient. So let me get these tabs put in. I'll put in a couple with you. So first one, of course, goes here. And then the next one, Coastal View, it tells me 526. So I'm going to go to 526. There we go. Okay, and floral arrangements starts at 551. There we go, and so on. So you can see they stagger beautifully. And the reason I put the bookmark one at the back is if you put it at the front, it kind of hides the first tab a little bit. So that's why I've put it at the back. Okay, so here are all the tabs put in. Looks beautiful. Let me get the other color cube out over here. Here are all the categories of that. Oh, there you go. Oh. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? I'm very excited for the cyberpunk category and the pastel tones categories. Neon glow on this one also looks very beautiful. So anyway, I'm excited to be using these color cubes. Oh, and I will say, this material, it's supposed to be wood. It definitely feels different from the original. Let me get that. Okay. that definitely sounds different. So, yeah. Anyway, have you ordered your color cubes? I ordered mine the day it launched, which was last Friday, and today is Thursday, and they're already here. I'm so excited. Oh, here's the whole thing. So I put the 4 right there, and I'm gonna put the 3 right here. There we go. Perfect. So those are the cubes, and I wanted to end with just one other thing, which was to mention that I've got my scrunchies. My new Etsy shop is open. I've got these 3 colors in here in the shop right now. This purple one is going up in my shop very, very soon, probably in the next couple of days. And yeah, these are, I'm very excited about these. They're nice and squishy and comfy. And I hope you'll check out my Etsy shop. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.